Now today is a slightly different product, but we have a set of 9x6 brown box mailers. As you can see, this is a 20 pack. So inside of here is 20 of these mailers. And essentially we have a way in here. I can slide one of these out for you and give you a nice little demonstration. So it does include a little guide of exactly how you would put this together. So, and it gives you an idea of what you can ship in here: spoons, t-shirts, essentially whatever can fit. To get the look that you're going for, you first start with the bottom half here. So essentially fold these up, fold these corners in like so. Once you're to this point, you're able to bring this up and over, and then this pops down into there, and then you repeat that on this side. Pops right in, and bada bing, now we have a box ready to go. So I can easily close this up. I'm able to put stuff in like so, bring this around and seal it right into place. And now my box is completely ready to go to the post office to ship. So special thanks. Oh yeah, and these will just kind of pop off. Special thanks to AAG Packaging Company, who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and demonstrate for you exactly how you would put one of these together. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.